Are you Chatty Cathy? Do you find yourself word vomiting on sales calls because any gap in the conversation makes you nervous? If so, you are not alone. In fact, many of my clients have struggled with this in the past. And when you get nervous, we tend to overtalk. But did you know there are major advantages to staying silent on your sales calls? In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 advantages of staying silent on a call and exactly how to do it. So stay tuned. Plus, if you want to learn what your selling personality strengths are, make sure to click the link below in this video to complete my quiz that will help you close more sales with ease. Let's go ahead and jump in. Number 1, the power of silence during a sales call allows for processing time of the prospect. So what does that mean? When someone is making decisions, literally there are micro steps happening inside their brain deciding, is this offer right for me? And it is really powerful to allow for silence so that they can have that processing time. Number 2 is that it reveals true concerns, needs, and feelings. When you provide the space for your prospect to talk, express concerns, ask questions, tell stories, that is the most amazing opportunity that you'll have to connect with them and really understand what their true concerns, needs, and feelings are. Now, number 3 is that when you have the power to hold silence during a sales call, it creates a safe space. And safe spaces, that's what will help you. That is a key advantage to silence, is that it will absolutely help you get more yeses on your calls. Why? Because we want to feel safe in our buying decisions. Now, number 4, it also allows you the power as the person selling to highlight important areas of your offers. Now, what does this mean? Okay, I'm going to give you an example because I believe this is best illustrated as I'm talking through. Okay, now if I'm going to say, and with this, you get 3 coaching calls, 1 VIP day, a trip to New York, and all of the goodness, and then we're also going to go and we're going to do X, Y, Z, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, I want to give you an idea of what that does. So what I should have done is stopped. Okay, so if I'm delivering something of importance, like not only do you get 2 coaching calls, you get a VIP day and a trip to New York, hold the silence before you go on to continue the conversation into the exact details of the offer. It's really important because it allows you to highlight the super cool things that you're going to include in your offer to that amazing prospect you're talking to. All right. And number 5, which is actually one of my favorite, is it showcases your confidence. And when someone is confident in their offer, their services, their programs, I will tell you right now, that is the fastest way to trust. And the beautiful thing about trust is that is one of the key indicators that someone will say yes to you. It truly helps you accelerate the selling cycle and get more yeses in less time. So let's go ahead and recap here. The power of silence, the ability to hold space, allows for prospect processing time. It reveals true concerns, needs, and feelings of the prospect. It creates a safe space for buying. And it also highlights the important areas of your program, services, and offers so that they get super excited to say yes to you. And lastly, showcases that confidence. And the confidence is one of the fastest ways to get more clients with ease. So now that you know the 5 advantages, what do you think? Are you determined to stay silent during your next sales call? Let me know in the comments below. And also make sure to click the link below to complete my selling personality quiz. Once you get your results, you will be armed with the tools that you need to truly make selling an ease using your own personality strengths. Yep, you got it right. You get to be just you and have selling success. I am super excited you joined me for today. And if you like this content, make sure that you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and perhaps share it with a friend. See you next time.